Chinese philosophies. You're going to be filling out the table below. The column in the peach color will focus on Taoism, which is on slides 3 and 4. You must write in the first box the founder of Taoism. The second box should be the main ideas of Taoism. And the third box should be influences on society. Now moving to the green column, you will focus on legalism, which is on slides 5 and 6. In the first box, you will write the founder of legalism. The second box, you'll write the main ideas of legalism. In the third box, you will write the influences on society. Again, use the slides to help you get your answers. Finally, in the bottom yellow box, you will answer the final question. Which of the three philosophies would lead to the best government structure in ancient China? And why do you think so? This response should be in 2 to 3 sentences.